I'm back to game. And I woke up inside. That's progress. Oh, zombie meat. What's up with that? Did a zombie come here, or did a cat leave it for me? I don't know what's going on. This garden needs a little help. And I need to eat. Oh, don't do that. Alright. Oh, hello. Oh. Alright, what do you have? What do you have and what do you want? We're gonna do this. Look at this. This is awesome. Now, he got some sparkles on him. He didn't get the swirly purple things. So that means that those little bit of trading did not upgrade him. Now, how did that watermelon grow there? Because there's no stem. Just like that one. It didn't have a stem. Which means it just spawned there. And I guess I've seen that before in the wild and stuff. Alright, well, this is... Should I do... I don't think I'm going to do a little gardening up here. And maybe I'll put some of these flowers down. I think they might work up here. We'll see. Let's expand this garden just a tad. Just a little tad-a-rooney. Or a big tad-a-rooney, whatever. Hello. I planted potatoes. I don't have potatoes for you yet, Mr. Farmer. No, you're a man, obviously. Let's fix that. Let's just do that. I want to get this straightened up here. There's a problem. Let's do a little yardscaping. Yardscaping? Landscaping. Something. I already have that. I only have one. Will you take one? No. It just stares at me. It's insulting. Why are you over here? Dude. He should be down there protecting the village. He's not. Alright. Let's go down. Oh, yes. Okay, I know where to find you. I need you. Thank you. And the animals are all sitting. Can we breed a cat? Ooh, no more fish. Alright, let's get organized. I'm gonna just condo the heck out of this place right about now. Go. This stuff. This should go in the chest down below at the garden. Get you guys in there. Get you out of here. This should be down in the garden. That should be in the garden. Zombie meat. I have 11. Okay. I'm getting that sort of feeling that I get when it's almost time for sheep. And when it's sheep time, first that means that it's time to build a corral. I either build a corral or I build a sheep pit, which sounds cruel, but it's not. It's just sort of a natural area. Let's look for an area that might work. I'm just going to scope this out real quick. You want it somewhat far away from the house. First of all, you want to eat. You want it somewhat far away from the house because they make a racket. This might work. Some kind of natural depression. Not the bad kind. The good kind. Oh, look at this. Straight down. Flame. What is this? This looks like lava. Let's not make the paddock in a lava pit. Thank you. I also don't want water, because they get in the water, they start bobbing around and have the time of their life. Oh, look at that. Floating trees up there. That's cool. I need to go. That's going to be next time I'm on vacation, air quotes. I'm going to go up there somehow. Oh, I don't like that. You know, this might work right here. This is a nice little depression, and all you have to do is dig a little bit. So let's start. I can always make it bigger. I can always add fencing. And I'm sick of this messed up garden anyways. Jumping around on different levels, I just end up wrecking this stuff. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Let's fix it. Please, fix it, please. There we go. Okay, and what's going on here? This needs to be lower. There we go, that's better. And lower still, we're going down, down, down. Rock lobster. You guys remember Rock Lobster? Only think different on the radio for like 20 years. Back in the day. When there was radio. Do people listen to the radio? I don't know. My car, I don't even know where the antenna on it is, so I don't listen to the radio. This is too small. Sheepy, hi, your pit's almost ready. So we're gonna do this. And just get it kind of spruced up here. There we go. Love it. Alright, so this works. Needs a little help over here. So let's do this. Oh, not what I meant to do. Easily remedied. This is interesting. If I just dig this a little bit, I think I might be good to go. Look at this. This is a very strange sheep. Oh, Mr. Kitty, I almost hit you. I do need a ladder to get out of it. Look at this. I've already got a sheep. What could be better? Did I jump? Woo! Alright, let's get, you know what I just did? Not the smartest thing in the world, is I went to build a sheep pit and start my sheep farm without any wheat. And you need wheat to attract sheep, and you need it to breed them. So let's get some. I'm not even replanting because I'm in sheep mode now. So we need to find one more sheep. You really only need 2, which is the beautiful thing. Unless you don't have to. I know there's some sheep here somewhere. It's getting dark, and I would like to get another sheep before dark. Here we go. Look at this. There's a bunch of sheep. So that my herd will grow. There you go. Come on, guys. Good boy. Good girl. There we'll go. Yep. We're going in the pit. Your new home. It sounds horrible. Who'd want to live in a pit? But, you know, it's actually really nice. Okay, you guys, and it even has a little tree for shade, and now sheep farming. Little tiny big-headeds, there they are. And you can't feed the parent again, but these little guys, you can just keep feeding them and they'll grow faster. So that one came out light gray because it's a child of these. And, hey kitty, I'm gonna sleep in here because it's getting dark. And they might be a little nervous in their new home. I don't usually baby them this much, but I am today. Good night.